Very good morning to all my students. I am Aditi Sengupta. Last day I have explained you decimation in time, algorithm, computation, the process, the drawing of butterfly. I have already given you the notes and all the things. As per your suggestion, I am explaining the things through the PPT, and after this I will give a solved mathematics step by step to you people. So just like last day's explanation, today we will start the explanation of decimation in frequency. This is also a popular FFT algorithm. In the very beginning, I have already told you that there are two parts, decimation in time and as well as decimation in frequency. Doesn't matter that we are going for time axis and frequency axis here, because whenever we are doing Fourier transform, we are shifting from time domain to frequency domain, whatever Fourier transform it may be. The thing is, the time domain to frequency domain conversion in DIT is done in such a way that the previously or the input part is in reversed order and the output part is in normal order. But in decimation in frequency, initially it is split into frequency divisions. This is the thing. In DIT, we are not initially dividing it into two frequency divisions. So here what we are doing in decimation in frequency, we are splitting the total thing in two parts. In case of decimation in time, we are going from minimized order to higher order. In case of decimation in frequency, we will go from higher order to minimized order. So simply what we are going to do, we are splitting the total thing in two parts. That is first n by 2 points and second n by 2 points. It is not odd, not even. In case of DIT, we splitted it in odd and even. Here we will simply just split it in first n by 2 point and second n by 2 point. So for first n by 2 point, that is my xn, and for second n by 2 point, that is xn plus n by 2. That is, if it is x0, it is x0 plus n by 2. If it is x1, it is x1 plus n by 2. In this way, the sequence changes. For total 0 less than equals to n, less than is equal to n by 2 minus 1. Now, the computation of butterfly in this case will be in such manner. In case of DIT, if you recall the DIT multiplication or DIT butterfly, it starts from very smaller part. Here it is not. We are simply splitting the data in half-half, no odd even. In case of DIT, we have to go for odd and even. Here we just simply divide in two parts. 0 to 3, if it is 8 point DFT, that is 0 to 7, we will split 0 to 3 and 4 to 7, just two parts. Now in between these two parts, we will compute a butterfly. Secondly, this part is splitted in two parts and this part is splitted in two parts. Again, no need for going with odds and even numbers. After this part is splitted in two parts and this part is splitted in two parts, we again compute another butterfly for both the part. After computation, again we have total 2 and 2 parts. Now we split them in 1, 1, again 1, 1. That is 2 is splitted in 1, 1 part. Again we don't have to go for odd and even, just half, half. And final butterfly will be made using the last 2 digits, that means single cross butterfly. Now if we go for computation, again I am telling that in case of DIT, as we have to go for even and odd, the computation for that and the computation for this will be a bit changed. So here what we are doing, we are just splitting from 0 to n by 2 minus 1, again n by 2 to n minus 1. In this way we will split the sequence, and whenever we are splitting the sequence using twiddle factor, finally we will get a term like this. We will get a term like this for k equals to 0 to n minus 1. Now radix 2, I have again explaining you radix 2. Radix 2 means base 2, that means it should be of power of 2. That means it is not possible that we go for any number of sequence. 2 to the power 0, that is 1, 2 to the power 1, that is 2, 2 to the power 2, that is 4, 2 to the power 3, that is 8, 2 to the power 4, that is 16, in this way. 32, 64, in this way we can go. That's why it is termed as radix 2 algorithm. So to separate even and odd number after this, at the last ending we are splitting it in even and odd number. So for even number, even we are taking as 2r, odd we are taking as 2r plus 1. For even numbers the thing will be as per I have explained and as per I have derived the thing already. You are getting the derivation previously. According to derivation, the first part, that is for the 2r part, the derivation will be like this, and for the 2r plus 1 part, the derivation should be in case of minus axis. That means one will go in positive axis of butterfly. We know butterfly, the upper part is positive, the lower part is negative. So the upper part will go with the positive part, the lower part will come with the negative part, and we have twiddle factor multiplied with this. So finally, if we go for the result, for final result r and 2r part, finally we will get this butterfly computation. That is, it is my xn, this is my xn plus n by 2. That is the first part, this is the second part. The first 4 or first 2 or first 8, this is the second 2 or second 4 or second 8 part. The first part and the second part. The butterfly is created, multiplication means this is the point where the combination is done. The above part is addition, that is xn plus xn plus n plus 2. The below part is subtraction. In DIT we are multiplying the twiddle factor with only the below part, and that is multiplied with your xn to give the result. Here we don't have to multiply it in this part. We have to multiply this only in subtraction part, but with both the values, that is xn and xn plus n by 2. That is already explained in this derivation. I have done all the total derivation here. You can see the derivation and you can go through it. So this can be done through the derivation, that is both the term, that is xn minus xn plus n by 2, total will be multiplied with the twiddle factor wnn. That means one complex multiplication, I have written this for your ease, one complex multiplication is done only here, and two complex addition. Subtraction is also taken as a addition, that is summation in negative direction. Two complex addition, one complex multiplication. So in this way we are creating the basic butterfly. We have to maintain this formula throughout. Now this is my proper butterfly. This is 8 to the power 3. The input side will not be at bit reverse manner, so it should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The butterfly is created here. The above part, as I have already given you the shortcut process, all the above part will come below. All the below part will go above. This is the crossing of first 2. This is the crossing of second 2. This is the crossing of third 2, and this is part is the crossing of the last 2 data. So here we are getting the separations. As this is the first cross, so first data, second data, third data, fourth data, fifth data, sixth data, seventh data, eighth data. And we have to multiply W0n, 1n, 2n, 3n. Again, remember the twiddle factor proper sense are not changing. They are also, whenever we are crossing with 4 part, that is 0, 1, 2, 3. When 2, 2, it is 0n, 2n. When it is single, it is only 0n. So after this we are getting x1 0, x1 1, x1 2 in this way up to x1 3, same thing, x2 0, x2 1, x2 2, x2 3. That is the subtraction part and the addition part. Now again we have to go for 2-point DFTs. In this picture I have shown you the 2-point DFTs. After this we get the result of the previous thing. Now again the above 2 data will come below, the below 2 data will come above. With the multiplication of twiddle factor, we will get the second stage result over here. The same thing for the second 4 data. The above 2 is coming down, the below 2 is coming out. These are the intersection points, and multiplying with twiddle factor we will get the final data. Same thing again in stage 3. This is the number of multiplication 2 to the power 3. That means how many stage we will have? We will have 3 stage. 2 to the power number is the number of stage. At the stage 3, single will be butterflied. That means one value, upper one value coming down, lower one value coming up. Upper one value coming down, lower one value coming up. In this way it is going on, multiplied with the twiddle factor 0n, 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 0n. Same thing is done in opposite manner in case of DIT. This is the butterfly is just the opposite. And we are multiplying the W0n here. So finally the result is in bit reversed manner. 0, 4, 2, 6, 1, 5, 3, 7. In case of DIF, whatever result you will get, you have to remember that your result is in bit reverse manner. So if I am telling you to write the result, your final result x of n is equals to this, then this, then this, after that x3, then x4, then x5, then x6, then x7. That means in final result you have to adjust the data, or you have to properly place the data. Remember that you have to properly place the data. The output, you can't write whatever you are getting at output, you are just writing it in result, you will get a big cross. That is wrong. In case of DIT, whatever is coming in your result, that is your result, one by one manner, in sequential manner. But in case of DIT, you have to check that your result is in bit reversal manner. So if you have to write your result, you have to maintain the proper manner, you have to shift it in proper manner, and then you have to write. That means first you have to write this, then x1, then x2, then x3, then x4, then x5, then x6, then x7. In this way you have to write. Okay? So now the very important part, comparison between DIT and DIF, it is very important for your exams also it comes. The thing is, the difference, main difference is, in case of DIT your input is in bit reverse order and the output is in natural order. In case of DIF, the input is in natural order and the output is in bit reverse order. And in butterfly computation, as I have already shown you in your this part, here the twiddle factor is multiplied after the creation of butterfly. That means after this minus this, the total is multiplied with Wn. And in the DIT part, if you check the DIT part, the butterfly of DIT, in DIT part the butterfly Wkn is multiplied with x2. The lower part, it is multiplied before creating the butterfly, then it is creating the butterfly. So this part is very important. In the DIT we are creating butterfly, previously we are multiplying the twiddle factor, and in DIF the multiplication is done after the butterfly creation. So the next thing is, these are the difference. Now we are coming to the similarities. In both the parts the complexities are same. In both the parts it is 2 to the power term, that is 2 to the power L. It is radix 2, so it should be 2 to the power L term. That L is the number of stages also. Whatever is the number of L, that is the number of stage in case of both DIF and DIT. Both are having n by 2 butterfly computation. Each butterfly has 1 multiplication, 2 addition. Same thing for DIT and DIF. The characteristic in place computation. The flow graph of DIT and DIF are vice versa. The flow graph are vice versa, but maintaining the same proper organization manner. That here it is, the butterfly for DIF looks like this, higher to lower order. The butterfly of DIT looks like this, lower to higher order. Lower to higher order. So this is the main separation and changes and similarities between DIF and DIT. Thank you.